Hi students, this is just a quick video to let you know what to do with this assignment, okay? This is a recurring assignment. We're gonna have it come back again. Every marking period at least, I want you to do 2 to 3 hours of practice, right? That's about 10 or 15 minutes a day of just practicing those ELA skills. So you can choose, right? You can choose the website IXL, which we've done some work on, or you may choose myon.com to read books. If you choose IXL, you should have an email in your school email with your login and contact. But if you need that, just contact me. I have it. And you can also take the diagnostic test and then get your action plan and go from there, right? So IXL looks like this. You started in this tab doing the diagnostic, hopefully, and you already finished that. That's about 50 to 75 questions at least. And then you get an action plan and you go to the learning tab and you do some learning, right? It will send you to whatever skill you need to work on and you will work on that skill and it will look like this. The cool part is I will be able to see every minute of your work, right? So I have this page where I can see an overview that students spent about 4 hours working on this site. And shout out to like someone like Niley here, right? Who, look at that, Smart Score 100 days ago, did 33 minutes of practice. That is worth 5 points. Christian, you did more practice. You did 2 hours and 17 minutes. That's worth 20. I think I gave you 25 points. I think I rounded up. So if you're on IXL, I'm looking straight at time. Even if you're on Myon, I'm going to be looking at time, right? So how many books do you read? You won't be able to go on Myon as a choice if you're new to the school, if you logged into the school since we left the building. I'm sorry, I just don't have that. You're not in the system. I'll work on that. So if you're new to the school, you'll have to do your practicing on IXL. People who were already in Myon from last trimester, if you want to go on and read books there, that is an absolutely appropriate place to practice your skills, plus it's entertaining. So Myon, I'll be able to see how much you're reading on this screen. But if you look, there are just like so many books, right, recommended, and I didn't put grade level in, so they're having trouble recommending my books. But let's see if I can find some books that you might want to read. Based on interests, you share what your interests are, and you can read anything you want, right? So 1918 flu pandemic, you want to know, oh my God, this isn't the first time, I want to learn about it. Or Girls Against Girls, why are they mean to each other? Or Coping with Absent Parents, or whatever, right? There's a ton of different books and all kinds of interesting things to read on this site. And the coolest part is because you're in my class here, I'll be able to measure how many books you're reading, how much time you're spending on it, and then give you credit, okay? So the expectation is that you're gonna read reader practice about 2 to 3 hours a week. The assignment was set at 20 points. So if you do more than 2 hours a week, that would be more credit. You could, if you practiced for 4 or 5 hours, that would be 50 points out of a 20-point assignment. You can see that that would be advantageous to your grade mathematically. So practice makes better. Do well.